Hello everyone, my name is Anissa Nela Raihani and my student number is 2507090028, and today I will read a news about Abu Ubaidah for the English Practice Project.
Who is Hamas's military spokesman? Abu Ubaidah, one of Hamas's key public figures, has been the military spokesman for nearly 2 decades. Since 7th October, his profile has increased dramatically, with his famous speeches making him a target of Israel, though his real identity remains a secret. Who is Abu Ubaidah and where was he born? Details about Abu Ubaidah's early life are limited, but in 2005 he mentioned that his family was expelled from historic Palestine in 1948 and implied he was in his early 20s. His identity remains undisclosed by Hamas, and the name Abu Ubaidah is an assumed one, likely referencing a historical Muslim commander. What is Abu Ubaidah's role in Hamas? Abu Ubaidah first appeared as the Al-Qassam Brigade spokesman in 2004, providing battlefield updates during an Israel offensive in Gaza. Since then, he has continued as the military spokesman, primarily appearing during military confrontation with Israel. What has Abu Ubaidah said? Abu Ubaidah has been known for announcing significant military accomplishments for Hamas, including the capture of Israeli soldiers Gilad Shalit and Shaul Aaron. He has also made occasional statements outside of wartime, such as pledging to free Palestinian prisoners who escaped from an Israeli jail in 2022. What role did Abu Ubaidah play on 7th October? After Hamas's attack and the subsequent Israeli war on Gaza, Abu Ubaidah delivered speeches outlining Hamas's action and goals. He warned of reprisals for Israeli bombings of civilian areas and revealed details about the planning of and the execution of the attack. He also criticized Arab leaders for their inability to bring humanitarian aid into Gaza. Why does Abu Ubaidah cover his face? Abu Ubaidah wears a red keffiyeh to cover his face, earning him the nickname the Masked One in the Arabic-speaking world. This tradition dates back to the early days of Hamas, with members like Yasser al-Namroti, Imad Akel, and Mohammed Deif also using the red keffiyeh as a face cover. What does Arab world thinking of Abu Ubaidah? Abu Ubaidah, seen as a symbol of Palestinian resistance, is highly regarded in the Arabic-speaking world due to his eloquent speeches and confident tone, even drawing attention from prominent figures like Qatar's former ruler. His words are often backed by video evidence of Hamas attacks on Israel's targets, which boosts his credibility and public trust in his statements. How does Israel view Abu Ubaidah? Abu Ubaidah's speeches and statements are viewed regularly by the Israel public, where his identity is the subject of speculation. Israel media has often attempted to expose him, aiming to undermine his influence. Israeli reports alleging the bombings of his home and his academic credentials remain unverified. Why did the United States sanction Abu Ubaidah? In April 2024, the United States sanctioned Abu Ubaidah naming him as Hamas's information warfare chief. The Department of the Treasury State led the cyber influence department of Al-Qassam brigades and was involved in procuring servers